and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna take you guys on a trip to Daiso and show you guys the stuff that I was able to pick up from Daiso. I need to go to Daiso and grab a few things. Just three things. I need a sketchbook, a coloring pencil, and some crayons. Some art supplies, but I only need three things. Each time I go to Daiso, I tend to spend way more than the stuff I had planned to get. So today I only have three things in mind to get, and hopefully I'll stay within budget and just get my three things and get out of there. So yeah, this Daiso is not that far from my house, but of course you guys already know the Japanese don't rush on the road. They take their sweet time. So we just gonna chill on the road until I get there. It's I mean, if they were to be driving normal speed limit, you could get to this Daiso within 7 minutes from where I live. But of course, it's gonna take me 20 to 23 minutes to get there because right now I'm driving 15 on a big 3-lane road. Yep, 15 miles per hour. Let me clarify that, on a big 3-lane, actually 4 lanes road. So I just came back from Daiso, and these are the stuff that I bought, including this bag. This one was about 400 yen, equivalent to approximately $3.50, and it's a big tote. So here we go. Instead of purchasing a bag to house all of my items, I just pack everything back in here, which was way easier and it saved me money. So this stuff in here are worth let's see, 5,203 yen. So 5,200 yen. Everything in here is 5,200 yen. So let me show you guys what I purchased. So of course I've purchased some of these cookies, which I absolutely love. They come in a multi-pack just like this, and it's easy to just carry and go. And these are the butter one. They also do have the coconut type, which I love as well. I love a lot of Japanese snacks. So I also purchased this shrimp flavor chips snack. It's amazing. I've tried it before. And also this snack, it's like caramel corn. It is really good. It tastes just like a puff chips, but with caramel. And some of them come with nuts inside. And I also purchased this little cute, guys, look how cute are these. Let's be friends. How cute are these? Okay, I purchased this for the kids' bathroom. It's just so cute, and it is really sturdy. And also these drinking cups for the kids, because they keep on breaking my glass cups. So this is how we're gonna do it now. So I got two. And look how cute is this cutting board. Like, so sturdy and very cute. And it is almost like a pink, well, it looks like a pink marble, and I love it. Can't wait to start using it. I know stuff like this make me excited. I don't know who else is like that. And right here I also have a picnic what is it, blanket, picnic blanket to lay on the grass. This one, yeah, picnic sheet right here. This one was 300 yen. So it comes with this elastic thing on it, which is amazing. It's gonna be easy to carry. Just carry and go. And of course, I saw this slippers, and look, it looks so cute. But the reason why I bought this is I have a trip coming up soon, and I figure why not? When I saw it, it immediately caught my eyes, because most of the time when I'm in the plane traveling, I'm one of those people that just gotta take my shoe off, and I absolutely hate wearing sneakers, but those are the most comfortable shoes at the airport. So if it comes to it, push comes to shovel, I just take it off and be in my socks on the plane. So I purchased these nice cute slippers, which are affordable to just be wearing. So I opened the slippers. This is how it looks. Nothing fancy. And it comes with the little pouch where you can just put everything up in here. And it looks like this after I put it in the pouch. This is so cute. I also purchased this nice little mesh bag. Happy times together. See, it is so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I saw it. It's cute, so I just bought it. All right. And already showed you guys that. Oh, and look, ice pick. I need this because most of the time, wooden spoon, that's what I use to break my ice. And I have broken so many wooden spoons, it's not even a joke. So when I saw this, I was like, ha, I must get this. And this one, I couldn't pass it by. Like, I couldn't just pass without getting it. So this is a portable mini toilet. If you have kids, you know this will come handy. So this is nice. I bought two just in case to just keep in my car. Eye mask. I already have this, but when I saw it, I couldn't resist. I just went in and purchased this again. And what else? Oh, guys, look. This is so amazing. This felt so soft. I just couldn't pass it by. It's almost so therapeutic. It's supposed to be a silicone brush scrubber for the kitchen. So it was 300 yen. And how cute are those rabbits? I love it. Can't wait to start using this. And I also needed this for my makeup. Cosmetic puff. And this was 100 yen, guys. This was 100 yen. And what else? Cotton puff, which was also 100 yen. And oh, look. 100 yen for traveling. Put your Q-tip, your band-aid, your little stuff in it. I feel like this is so cute, and I like the fact that it's clear. You can see exactly everything you put in it. And I also have another one for, well, I'm gonna use this for charger. Who use this type of earphone anymore anyways? Don't we all have AirPods? Anywho, yeah, I'm gonna use this one for my chargers and this one for earplugs, which I think I did purchase. Yep, I did purchase some earplugs. Like I said, I have a vacation coming up soon, so I need to get ready for the long plane ride. And oftentimes my ears do get clogged up when we are in the air or when the plane is landing or taking off, so I do suffer from that. And I also bought this nice little gummies. I tried them before. They are amazing. So I purchased two of the gummies. Just like that. And this strawberry filled marshmallows, they are the bomb. I am not the type of person to eat marshmallow. I absolutely hate them. absolutely hate them. But when I came to Japan, I tried this type. It was nothing like the marshmallow I'm used to eating back in the state. These are like smooth and it just melts in your mouth. And then it does have this squishy thing inside of it that just bursts out. It tastes so good. And this almond chocolate, I've tried them before as well. Love how they are individually packed, so that will really prevent you from overeating. Just like that. And I bought some bubble gum. I think I got 4 of these for soccer practice. Whenever we're on the soccer field, there are a bunch of kids out there who are often bored, so I got plenty just to keep with me. Got this little lollipops. It was 3 for 100 yen. I bought 6 of them already. Give 2 away. And this was 100 yen as well. Look at this. This is so cute. It's a luggage tag. So 100 yen. And what is this? I don't know what this is, but I got it from the candy aisle. Can't wait to try it. Well, it looks like it's gonna be sour from the expression on the thing, so we shall see. This is like a Japanese brand hand cream, Sika. I do have the facial mask and the clay. I love it. So I was surprised to see this at Daiso. This was like $1, but the facial mask and the clay cost about, it was $10 and above when I bought it. And it's like this little tiny thing. So I'll give this hand cream a try and let you guys know how I feel about it. And lastly, I have my barbecue flavored chips. I've also tried this before. It wasn't as bad, so I purchased it again. So this sums up all my haul from Daiso today. And again, like I was telling you guys, I only went there for 3 things, and somehow I did not even get the 3 things I went there for. I came out with a whole lot of other stuff that were not planned, and everything came down to 5,200 yen, about equivalent to approximately $47 or $46. So it's not bad. It's not bad. So here we are. Here's everything I purchased today. So I hope you guys like my Daiso haul video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video, and stay tuned for more videos.